My first real connection with sperm biology began it began the summer of 1970. This was in Europe when vasectomy surgery was really taking off, and people were wondering whether vasectomy was safe.
So with vasectomy as a novel method for contraception started emerging and was getting well accepted by public and the society in large, various concerns came across to clinicians indicating how successful the vasectomy was done, So Dr. Stuart Howard from UVA, a great friend of Dr. Herr, bumped into each other one day and they started talking about, they need to have a method to demonstrate that the vasectomy was done correctly and perfectly, a foolproof method, basically a foolproof method, genetic profiling and the molecular profiling of the sperm. Why not use the molecular signature of the sperm, which basically is the protein that are present on the sperm or in the sperm, as a way to identify whether the technique of vasectomy was done correctly. And there came the invention of SpermCheck for vasectomy and infertility that Dr. Herr and his team of researchers basically developed at UVA. And right now today it is a kit which is available at our pharmacies in the United States and worldwide.
The ability to identify biomarkers of sperm, these signature molecules in sperm, leads to a diagnostic platform. Pregnancy and ovulation tests are little kits that can be used in a home context to measure hormones. And the idea of having an alternative way to measure sperm through an immunodiagnostic test really changes the paradigm. The molecular dissection of the sperm into its components and the development of immunological probes to measure these components has allowed us to shift the paradigm away from the microscope into an immunodiagnostic test.